Hi, in this video I want to show you this white noise machine by Housbay. This is really cool. I like the color too. So basically it plugs into the wall here and the cord's pretty long. Right now it's just rolled up. And so to turn it on you just press this button here. And now it's on. It's making white noise. And you have a timer option here. You have 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. You can press that so you get it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or nothing. To adjust the volume, you use these buttons here. So this turns the volume down. It's really low now, right? And then this turns the volume up. Really cool, right? So very simple to use. You can use this to cycle through the noises, which we'll do that in a minute. But you can also select certain ones by pressing these buttons. So for example, a popular one among people is the fan. People love the fan, so there's the fan noise. And you can always turn it down, or you can turn it up. So you can adjust the level of the fan. Then you have this one here. Let's turn that up a little bit more. And then you have this one here. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Yeah, it's intermittent. Really nice. Really cool. And you can cycle through different ones here. Cool, right? I don't know about that one. I don't think I could sleep with that. That's almost creepy. But, you know, whatever works. That's almost like morning music. Crickets, some people like that. That's kind of nice. A little bit of rain. All kinds of cool sounds. That's pretty cool, right? Some wind. Yeah, wow, right? The howling wind. That is a really cool sound. I like that one. That might be my favorite one. This is really awesome. I mean, this is probably the best white noise machine I've ever seen. I mean, you've got so much variety here. I don't like that one. Main tracks. It's fun to listen to these, isn't it? Yeah, not for me. I think we've cycled through all of them now. Ooh, that's creepy. All right, back to my wind. Yeah, I like that. I don't know why I like the wind one, but that's really cool. What an awesome little machine, right? I mean, yeah, that's great. So you find your favorite sound and you can sleep with it, right? I mean, that's what this is all about. And hopefully it helps you sleep. So if you are looking for a white noise machine, I think this one is definitely it. This thing is ridiculously awesome. I love the sound of the wind. That is a winner for me. It's the Housbay. Good stuff. I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck and take care.